Right, I'm going to raffle this pod off, it's going to happen Monday or Tuesday, something like that, but I want you to have a little look around this, all right? Looks like a traditional garden room, doesn't it? You've watched my videos lots of times, you've seen us build out of timber. This pod, not clad obviously, but was constructed in a couple of hours by myself. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the pod design to you. We're not the first on the market to do it, but we'll certainly be the best to work with anyway. You'll buy a 5x3 or 4x3, whatever size you order. I'll cut the kit, I'll prepare the kit, and I'll send the kit to you. Insulated metal panels, they all slot together. Yeah, you will have this watertight by lunchtime, no problem. And then you can clad it in the choice of cladding you want. I'm going to bring another type of cladding to the market very shortly as well. Something nobody else is using. I'm just trying to negotiate with the supplier, but he's not playing ball at the moment. But there you go, look, it's fully clad. Looks like one of our traditional garden rooms, yeah? Right, but the beauty of this is you can build it, no experience, you don't even need a chop saw, yeah? Fire it together, get it riveted together, and you're going to have yourself a beautiful little pod. Right, I'm going to bring the pack to you very shortly. You'll order it, I'll ship it out, you'll have it built by dinner time. All right?